Hello, this is News Today, here with Miss Chloe. She is a seismologist, a person who studies earthquakes. Today she will be telling us about the Loma Prieta earthquake. The Loma Prieta earthquake occurred on October 17, 1999 in San Francisco around Oakland. With no warnings, at 5:05 p.m. the Loma Prieta earthquake disrupted fans at Candlestick Park during the third game of the World Series.
The Loma Prieta earthquake damaged hundreds of buildings and took about 67 lives. The repair bill was about $66,000 million US dollars. The Loma Prieta earthquake measured 7.1 on the Richter scale and 8 on the Mercalli scale. The tectonic plate involved was the Pacific Plate.
Thank you, Miss Chloe.
Bye.